Tim Ferriss, the author of 4-Hour Work Week, he said, focus on being productive and not busy. Busyness does not equate to productivity. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. As we all know, according to research, it shows that smartphone is a major source of distraction. Smartphones are a major source of distraction. So in this video, I'll be explaining to you the 4 apps that I have used to maximize my productivity on my smartphone. The apps have helped me deal with distraction and has helped me to maximize focus. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. The first app that I have used to maximize my productivity is called Doc. Google Doc basically. So this is what the app looks like.
So let me play the video so you can know more about it. This is what it does. Oh, this overview. Write something on your own or with others at the same time. You can changes are set automatically everywhere, so you can pick up from where you stop. You can do it on phone, on tablets, and on system. Even if you lose your connection, it should not interrupt you while you work. You can edit and share words, document. Yes. Work better anytime, work better any place, work better with any file, work together. Yes. So let me show you some stuff. Work together in real time. See the stuff here. Okay, work together when your schedule allow. See it here. Create anywhere, anytime, even offline. Yeah, so you can also have, there is also a dark mode. So get dark now. So when you open it, this is basically how the stuff looks like. I have used mine for quite some times now. So these are that I've documented on it. You can save stuff on your device. You are using your smartphone. You can save on your drive. So that's just how press plus. So this is basically how the stuff is done.
One application that I have used to maximize my productivity is called Your Hour. I have been using Your Hour for over 2 years now. I started using Your Hour since 2020, and Your Hour is basically an application that helps you track your usage, your time on your phone, and some other stuff. So this is what the application looks like on Play Store.
So it has over 1 million downloads and with 3.3 plus ratings. Like about this app is created digital well-being manager to help you beat phone addiction. Like I said that time, that I've been using this app since 2018. See the icon here. Then let's go into let's check some of the review here. Okay, so review. Oh wow. Okay, let's check some of the review here. They have awesome review that we really, you can check that out yourself. They have awesome review. Let's see the app. It's a productivity application. See what is written. They say gateway to your day. So see app categories. You can categorize your app based on either productivity, media, social media, or stuff like that. See, you challenge yourself. You can actually set challenge on the application. Apps timeline, your phone daily routine. See the number of hours you spend on your phone. This is your hour has an icon. This is the icon here. That means this shows me that I have spent 8 minutes, 9 minutes, 3 seconds now on Play Store. So you can just draw it anywhere on your phone, so you can know, you can be conscious of the time you spend on your phone. It has a place for monthly and weekly report to analyze the performance, where either you spend time on social media too much, and there's also a dark mode to help you relax and get detox. The app, you can set a limit, like you can set, okay, probably you want to use 3 hours on Facebook. Like you don't want to use more than 3 hours on Facebook, you can just set the limit that, oh, this is the highest time I will be using on Facebook. Then when the limit time has reached, the app automatically log you out of the the app automatically log out of the social media platform. So this is basically how the app looks. See how the app looks. So different challenge. Say okay. See the settings. Show me the number of time I've spent on my phone and where I spend the time. Okay, so I start yesterday. So top average. That means this week. Okay, on Sunday, that's 12th of June 2022. I used 3 hours, 30 minutes, 3 minutes on WhatsApp, 1 hour 5 minutes on Zoom, 1 hour 8 minutes on YouTube, 46 minutes on Twitter, and 30 minutes on Instagram. It shows you how this stuff is done. So I cannot explain to you the full benefit of this thing, but I will put a video link in my description box. Try to check it out. So from 29th of December 2021 that I got this phone, that I started using this phone till today. This app is telling me that I've used 6 days, 22 hours on my phone, which is very, very true. Can you see? I've actually won some stuff. There are some goals you can actually achieve and fulfill. So this shows that I'm addicted to my phone. Most of my stuff I done on my phone, so I spend time on YouTube very well. If not for the program I have this week, I would have spent more times on YouTube. And there are stories where people share their testimony, how they get transformed using this application. And this is the dashboard that shows the application the most used application and the application that you visited most, and the application that the top visited application also. So WhatsApp are the two here. So that's just, you can just download this app and just play around it, or I'll put a video about how this app works and for other stuff in the description box. Try to check it out.
Enjoyed this video thus far? Push the like button and subscribe to this page if you are a new viewer.
The third productivity application that I use is called Google Calendar. Google Calendar helps me to keep track of events. It helps me to maximize productivity and also reminds me of events that I have at the right time. So this is how Google Calendar looks like on Play Store. This is the icon, and that's over 1 billion downloads. It's a productivity application here. As you can see, it says always know what's next with Google Calendar, part of Google Workplace. See, over 4.5 ratings. Can you see? This is amazing. Over 2 million people has reviewed this application. Okay, let's check it out. Now, intelligently manage work, school, and personal calendar. Can you see? Quickly create and schedule meetings. Can you see? Easily view and join events. Can you see? Create and manage tasks. Can you see? Automatically import reservations. Can you see? This is amazing, man. Clearly see all your events. Can you see it there again? So Google Calendar is a very powerful tool with over 1 billion download. I will advise and suggest you get it downloaded now. It has over 4 ratings. Like 2 million people give it 4.5 ratings. Can you see? This is just amazing. So let me just open the app and let's see how it looks like. So basically, Google Calendar will, like I've said a lot of things. I've said some things that it does. So preparation for tomorrow. Can you see? My stuff, reminder. They will send the stuff to my email. They synchronize to your mail. Can you see? Can you see? You can add. You just click on the box here, then add button to add there, then plus sign. Do you want to on? Do you want, what do you want to do? Is it task? Is it reminder? Is it goals? Out of office? So this Google Calendar is just you see events. Can you imagine? So just download Google Calendar now. This will really help you to maximize your productivity.
App that I've used to maximize my productivity and have helped me to stay focused and avoid distraction is called Stay Free. I started using Stay Free late 2021, and I can say Stay Free is similar to your hour, but there are some differences. This is what Stay Free looks like.
This is what it looks like. Then let's proceed. Stay Free has over 5 million downloads on Play Store. Like I said, see about the app. Track app usage and screen time. Beat phone addiction and digital detox. It is a productivity app. It has over 1,225 reviews and with 4.7 averagely. It has over 5 million downloads. Now let's go through the app. Let's check some of the stuff it does. It gives you overview of your daily usage. See, total usage. See, total time, Twitter. See, it gives you this schedule, app and website blocking. You can actually block some app and some website on your phone. Compare yourself with other users. See, global usage. See. Okay, then the next one is block distracting website. Probably you don't want to get access to some website, you can just block it here. Then this one is give inciting report. See now, inciting report about how your stuff was, how your this thing went. See, okay, can you see now? Okay, so now let's try to open the app and let's see what it entails. So this app has basically four different interface. I've called it interface. That's a place for summary, can show you how your progress, the stuff you accomplished. It has a place for app. It will show you the application time you spent on each application. This one, the website, it will show you the website you want to block or the website you don't want to access. See, I use Google. Yes. So then I only set use it limit for TikTok because I noticed that I was once addicted to TikTok. So that's helping me to deal with the TikTok addiction. You can just come here, plus add app limit, app category, website limit. That is just how it is done. So download Stay Free now. Sorry. Download Stay Free now so you can enjoy its benefits.
Enjoy this video thus far, push the like button and subscribe to this page if you are a new viewer. Thank you very much. If you want to learn the 3 things to avoid if you want to be productive, I have a video here. Watch it and I'm sure you're going to enjoy yourself.